How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be reviewing the Tech Master rotating arm stunt car. This thing's really cool. I got this for my son. The arms rotate 360 degrees. We're going to check this thing out. This is everything that the car comes with. It comes with 2 batteries for the car. Each battery lasts a half hour. So each battery, you'll get a half hour each battery, so an hour total out of both. It comes with some Aaa batteries for the remote. Also comes with a USB charger for each one of the car batteries. Comes with a little screwdriver tool to take off the backs so you can put the batteries in. The way to put the batteries in the car is there's another screw right here. Just plugs in. Put the battery right down in there. Here's this thing out. Here's the on and off button. Oh, it lights up. Each side goes 360, so it goes over bumps, so it'll never get stuck. On button. Oh yeah. All right.
So fast.
Overall, this is really cool. He had a lot of fun with this. It never got stuck, never jammed up. The wheels really keep it from getting stuck in the corners and stuff. This is really cool.